Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to send a message on Telegram, step by step. If you're new to the app or just need a quick refresher, you'll find this guide simple and easy to follow. Telegram has become one of the most popular messaging platforms worldwide, and for good reason. It's fast, secure, and easy to use. Whether you're messaging friends, family, or even joining large communities, the first thing you need to know is how to send a message. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your chat list where you can see all your recent conversations. If you already have a person or group you'd like to message, simply tap on their chat to open it. If you haven't started a conversation yet, you can search for the contact in the search bar at the top and select their name to begin. Now that the chat is open, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see the message box waiting for you. This is where you'll type out whatever you'd like to send. Just tap inside the box and your keyboard will appear, ready for you to write your message. Take a moment to type your text, whether it's a simple hello, a question, or a longer piece of information. After your message is ready, the next step is to send it. On the right-hand side of the message box, you'll notice a small paper plane icon. This is the send button. Go ahead and tap on it, and your message will instantly be delivered to the selected contact or group. You'll know it went through because you'll see it appear in the chat window immediately. And that's it. Sending a message on Telegram is as simple as opening the app, typing your text, and tapping the send button. Once you've done it a few times, it'll become second nature. Whether you're staying in touch with friends, coordinating with a group, or exploring new communities, knowing how to send a message is the very first step to making the most out of Telegram. Now you're ready to start using Telegram with confidence.